Yo, what's up? So the time has come. The 2020 Thumpstar 190s and 140s and the whole line of Thumpstars are all in. I'm here at East Central Motorsports right now, about to build my 190. I've already built a couple for them. I think we got two 140s, a 125, I believe, another 125, and then we got a 170, or not 170, a 70. But they got two models, the 70s or 50s, I believe, two different ones. But these things are sick. So about to get hammering on the 190. The 190 is right here in the crate. You can see right here the 190C. So we're about to unbox this, put it together, and yeah, I'll give you guys a full walk around and everything on it of what's new compared to the 2019. The 2019 is in the other building right behind me. I could always go, I'm probably gonna end up going over and showing you guys the differences between the two, but anyways, let's get into unpacking this thing. Alright, so everything they give us, you got a parts kit, and you got a spare parts kit. I just opened up the spare parts kit, already opened up the forks and everything. And the spare parts kit comes with your gas cap, or this is the parts to build the bike. Gas cap, this is your shock linkage bolts, anodized red shock linkage. You got your gear shifter. We're gonna be swapping this out though because we got an aftermarket one that feels way better. Your handlebar mounts, also another handlebar mount. Your gas tube to your gas cap, more linkage bolts, your front axle, and then we got all of the nuts and bolts, springs to the foot pegs. And then we got our foot pegs in here, spare needle to the carburetor, and then we got other miscellaneous bolts, more bolts for the bar clamps, and the owner's manual also all comes in this. And then we'll open up the spare parts that they give you also. So looks like we got extra fork seals, extra air filter, cables, a hose clamp. We got some brake pads, it looks like, paint pen, some needle bearings, I'm guessing for the linkage. Then we got, don't know what that is, some spare jets, got extra levers, those are all the cables. Sticker, hose clamp. It's like looks like just some spare part or tools to work on this thing. I got top end gasket, piston, or not piston, but the piston rings, looks like. Another gasket for the cylinder, some Loctite, and some spokes. But anyways, that's all the parts that come with it. Forks, VS1 forks, fully adjustable. About to get tearing into the bike right now, so we'll get to it. Alright, yo, what's up? So it's day number 2. I got my bike ripped apart right now. I'm taking the carburetor apart, make sure none of the jets are clogged, make sure the floats are free, because I don't want any issues while I'm racing. And I found a kinked fuel line, so I'm just cutting them and shorting them a little bit so it won't kink, it won't nothing. I had an issue with that on my old bike, which is right here, my new bike right here. So swapping over a couple things. We are swapping over the quarter turn throttle, my ARC lever, shifter, just some other little things. The gas cap I swapped over so it matches everything. But yeah, so just some bike maintenance to prevention maintenance, so I don't have any issues while I'm racing, don't have any issues. So yeah, so start working on this thing and finish up the build hopefully tonight and have it running. Alright, so I got the bike back all together, got the carburetor in and everything. I didn't record putting the seat on it or the side plastics or anything because that's pretty all self-explanatory. But tonight I had a couple of little issues. I messed with the routing of the fuel lines because they were kinking up. So I had to adjust them around so none of them were kinked and it was constantly getting fuel. But right now, getting ready to peel off the stickers, give it the final touch. It's like 11:30 and I can't think, but she's peeling off the stickers right now. And yeah, the bike should be done and ready for the big pit bike race this weekend.